With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question over here is digestion of which component of food would be affected if the pH of stomach is made 7. Alright, option A fat, option B protein, option C sucrose, option D vitamins. So the question over here is which of these molecules would be affected, the digestion of which of these molecules would be affected if the if the pH of stomach is 7, which is quite neutral. Alright, so let us start with the solution. Now the digestion of proteins in the stomach starts because of the enzyme pepsin. Alright, so protein digestion in stomach is initiated by enzyme pepsin. This enzyme is a protein digesting enzyme and it works most efficiently at the acidic pH, which is around 1.8 to 2. Alright, pepsin acts on proteins, digesting them into smaller peptides and peptones at an acidic pH of around 1.8 to 2. So this pepsin enzyme is secreted by the gastric glands in the inactive form, that is in the form of pepsinogen. So this pepsinogen gets activated into an active pepsin because of the acidic medium which is created in the stomach by the secretion of hydrochloric acid. Right, so this hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium in the stomach, and because of that the pepsinogen gets activated into pepsin and it starts digesting the proteins into smaller peptides and peptones. So if, according to the question, if the stomach pH is shifted to 7, which is quite neutral, right, so the pepsin would not get activated because it can only get activated in an acidic medium. So the pepsinogen would not get activated, and if the pepsinogen is not activated, the digestion of proteins would not happen. So the correct answer for this question is option B, proteins. The digestion of proteins would be affected if the pH of stomach is made 7. Alright, so let us write it over here. If the pH of stomach is shifted to 7, which is neutral, the digestion of proteins would not happen because the inactive pepsinogen won't be able to get activated into pepsin. So the activation of pepsinogen into pepsin happens at highly acidic pH, that is around 1.8 to 2. So if the pH is 7, this pepsinogen would not get activated, and if it is not activated, the protein digestion would not happen. The enzymes are very specific about their about their actions. So they can only work efficiently at a particular temperature and pH range. If the pH or temperature is shifted to another range, so what would happen? These enzymes would not function properly. So same condition arises over here. The enzyme pepsinogen can get activated into pepsin only at a pH of 1.8 to 2. So if the pH is 7, so the protein digestion would not happen because the enzyme would not be able to function properly at this high pH, neutral pH, because it is more prone to work at acidic pH. Alright, so let us write it over here. Hence, the correct answer is option B, proteins. The digestion of proteins would get affected if the pH of stomach is shifted to 7. Alright, I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.